This has to be one of my favorite events of the year. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. See this beautiful scenery behind me? That can mean only one thing. I'm in Lexington, Kentucky at Masterson Station Park for the Kentucky Sheep and Fiber Festival. I believe this is the 5th time I've taken you. 2020 was canceled due to COVID. And I thought I'd bring you along, so let's get started. And this is Dynamite, and she's a Shetland ewe. The layout of the vendors is a little different this year. I won't be able to show you all the shops, but I will hit some of the highlights. This is one of the first places I visit. This is a Jacob sheep, and her lambs are only 2 months old. The one eating hay is a ram, and the one in the back is a ewe. This is Georgette, and I think she was in my video last year. And Georgette likes peanuts. Morgan Farms sells yarn and fleece. And this is Kit Kat, and she's a Catahoula, and she's 2 years old. 2 years old. Hi, Kit Kat. Hi. And these are angora goats. And these are California red sheep. The two lighter color sheep are blue-faced Leicesters, and the darker lamb is a Jacob blue-faced Leicester mix. And when I'm here, this is where I usually get my lunch. Hey Quinn, this is Quinn, and he's a Scottie. Hello Quinn. This tent has some of the participants from their fleece competition. And this tells how they grade their fiber.
Oh my gosh, is that a llama?
And this is Hal, and he was born on Halloween. Hello, Hal. And as always, I have to stop by one of my favorite vendors, Laughing Cat Fibers. And Laura has by far the coolest business card around. And Laura made a colorway exclusive for the festival. It's called Kentucky Bluegrass. And this is my friend Laura of Laughing Cat Fibers, and you have a special club?
Yes,
Can you
I
tell
sure
a little
do.
bit about it?
Yep, so I have a band book yarn club. Every month I do a different colorway based on a different band book. It's an attempt to bring attention to the books, but also to create great yarn in the meantime. And you can see on the front of each of these skeins over here in the corner, we've got all the band books. So again, you can sign up on my website. You can do either one skein a month or two. You can sign up for 1 month. All the months, you can pause or cancel. I make it very flexible. Again, I just want to bring attention to the books that are being banned and make great yarn.
What inspired you to do this?
Just a desire to bring knowledge to people. I mean, for me personally, throughout history, artists have expressed their opinions, their feelings through art. And for me personally, this is a huge cause that I'm a big fan of. And so I hope that if I can even help one person to open a book that they maybe would have otherwise not ever read, my job here is done.
And
So.
can people buy your work online, or is it just at festivals?
Yes, no, I have a website. It's laughingcatfibers.xyz. And so you can go online and join the club, or you can just purchase yarn, but I do love doing the shows as well.
Well, thank you, Laura.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
And this is Kathy, and she made this shawl, and it took how many months? 3 months?
I started in March and got it done in July of the same year. So March, April, May, June, July. So about 3 or 4 months.
3 or 4 months, and you used 8 skeins
8
of...
skeins in total. It was 4 of the background and 4 of the contrast.
Wow.
And it's all Fair Isle. So
Very nice.
thank you. Laughing Cat wanted to see it so bad, so I finally remembered it.
And this is another one of my favorite stops when I'm at the festival. This is Julie's Fiber Treasures, and she makes beautiful, and I mean beautiful, felted animals.
From one end to go to the
No idea. This is one of the vendors I like to visit every year because they seem to always have something new. And wait till you see what they have this year. These are earrings made out of quail eggs. And the acorns are also made with quail eggs. And if you like chicken eggs, you can buy yourself a necklace. And wait till you see what I discovered at this booth. This is a baby alpaca, and it's only 3 hours old. And this is Snowdrop, and she's 3 months old. And what breed of goat is she? What breed?
She's a Pygora.
Pygora.
Yep, she's a Pygora goat.
Hello.
Well, she got to finish that one in her mouth. Well, she don't care. Her tail's wagging. She's excited.
There she goes.
There she goes. Oh, Wes, she's got enough, bud.
And I really like this booth because the owner makes the project bags and she hand dyes all the yarn with eco-friendly dyes. This potter makes excellent work, and he has a sense of humor. And this one is definitely my favorite. What's his name? Orion.
Cashew. We actually have Llamas there.
And no Kentucky Sheep and Fiber Festival would be complete unless I concluded with my friend Serena. How you doing?
I'm doing good, thank you.
And how was your day today?
It was a very great day. Beautiful.
Yes, the weather was excellent. And if you're ever in the Lexington area, be sure to go to the Kentucky Sheep and Fiber Festival. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And until next time, this is Cashew with Serena, signing off.